What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. We'll be taking a look at Luna Classic. We'll be talking about fundamentals, technicals, everything you need to know, at least in my opinion. And in general, I mean, today obviously it's the weekend, so volume is dropping down. We're a little bit bearish, which was expected. You know, we talked about that quite a lot. I'll talk about it briefly again in this video, but the thing is that we had bullish fundamentals coming up with the Binance burn, rumors about Coinbase listing us or listing Luna Classic, Coinbase maybe starting some sort of a burn initiative, but nothing was confirmed. It could still be confirmed in the next few days, but it's not expected anymore by the market, and that's why we dropped. And we dropped quite severely. Had some bearish confirmations, like not finding support at 15,500. So in the end, what I also said is that will at least drop down to 14,000 right here, which is the level we dropped down to. But that I also expect us to drop down to 13,000. That's kind of fundamentally what's happening, all right? It could still happen, like the Binance burn has been postponed. That's not happening. With Coinbase, something could still happen, but as I said, we're not really expecting that anymore. So if that would actually happen, we would be very bullish. We would still go up, like we would still break above 16,000 and do something like this, get up to 18,000 at the very least again. But it's also not really something I am expecting. All the rumors were not confirmed. At least I have never seen any evidence which confirmed it. So we have to be realistic and we have to take a look at the technicals for today. Obviously having those fundamentals in mind. So the thing is that right now we've dropped down to 14,000, which is it's a solid level, but it's not that strong. Luckily for us though, we have actually, it's the weekend right now. It's New Year's weekend, so volume, like we've already been doing, but volume will drop down even more. When volume drops down, usually volatility drops down as well. So I think at least for this weekend, we can actually stay between 14,000 and 14,500, which kind of gives us the opportunity to wait for next week, which the rumors that I saw from Coinbase said that something was going to happen the 3rd of January. All right, so that would obviously be next week, like Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. Yeah, Tuesday. So if that actually happens, then we can, as I said, then we can still have that rally. I think it's not going to happen. And what happens with Luna Classic, if there are no bullish fundamentals, like we only go up in price with Luna Classic if we got bullish fundamentals. So if they're not there, the market is not very bullish at this point of time. What's going to happen is I think that, as I said, this weekend we can hold this consolidation, but then next week it's probably not going to be that bullish for Luna Classic, and we'll drop down to this level around 13,000. Now from there I'll make another update. I'll probably even be back with another update even sooner. But just purely given the technicals right now, but also given the fundamentals that we know of, this seems like the most likely scenario. If we then take I still like to take a brief look at the burn tax. Burn tax is still running nicely, yeah, it's overall, I think it's overall not looking great for Luna Classic. I'm not trying to spread FUD, that's just my honest and realistic opinion, I think. And I definitely do acknowledge that there's still potential for something great, but at this point in time, it's not looking like it. So that's my take on Luna Classic for today. I want to wish you all a happy new year in advance, but for now, take care and bye.